What does a can of cat food have to do with camping? Stay tuned.
Our ultimate goal is to make a stove with a nice blue flame like this. When done, our cat food can will be both stove and pot stand. Now we use the can opener. Go 3 times around. Now I use my fingernail to pull it off. Voila, we're done. When the cat's done, we remove the label and clean the can. Time to make the stove. We need hole punch left. I'm as close to the top of the... I'm also experimenting with this one. I'm just going to put 1 row of holes in. Most of the time there's anywhere from 2 to 3 rows of holes. And also the one key thing to remember is not to put a hole below the line that you're going to use for alcohol, which is about halfway up at maximum. And there's the last hole, and we are done. There's our prototype, which we are going to go and test out now. The first test was a learning experience. We learned that 1 row of holes did not work. Second row of smaller holes was added below the first row. Test 2 went a lot better than test 1. Although not perfect, it took a little over 5 minutes to boil about 3/4 of a cup of water. There was a lot of yellow flame, meaning unburnt hydrocarbon. Fancy Feast stoves have the advantage of you can make them yourself. They're inexpensive and they work well. Next up, a flat cat stove showing a proper flame pattern. The flat cat stoves are designed to burn fuel very efficiently. You notice the nice blue flame. This stove is their 2.5 multi-fuel stove. Soon I'm going to turn the lights on so that you can see this stove. Here it is. The irregular hole pattern caused a waste of fuel. Also, the fire was not even, and because of that, the water took over 10 minutes to boil. Fancy Feast stoves are lightweight, fun to make, and perfect for backpacking. Thank you for watching. I'm Uncle Bill Dube. I've camped for over 50 years. However, as far as alcohol stoves, there's an expert that knows more than Uncle Bill. His name is Hiram Cook. I'll put a link down below. Check out his website. Every day this side of the dirt is a great day, so go out there, have some fun, stay COVID safe, smash that bell, subscribe, and check out these videos down here. I heard they're really good ones. Thank you.